Hello guys, welcome back to SES Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm back with another very interesting product review. So the product that I'm going to talk about today is from GoZen, and you may have already heard the name of this company because they are very famous for some products such as GoZen Forms. So the tool that I'm going to talk about today is Content.AI. Content.AI is an all-in-one tool for SEO experts and even content writer. It has almost everything you need regarding SEO and different types of content, and it does not only provide SEO optimized content, it also generates images with an AI, which is simply amazing for a content writer. And as you can see, they have a lot of good reviews on sites like G2, AppSumo, WordPress, Capterra, and even Chrome Web Store. Right now the market is filled with AI content writers. So what makes Content AI different from all those writers? Let me show you that. So this is a page where Content.AI has been compared to other popular tools such as Word Hero, Creator, Neuron, Papertype, Wordplay, and other popular AI writers. And if you have a close look at the comparison, you can see Content AI has a lot of features that the other tools doesn't have, such as AI image is not available in other AI writers. You cannot create unlimited projects on some AI writers. The language translation is also unavailable in other writers. So there are a lot of features that are missing from all the other content writers that are popular currently in the market. Content.AI from GoZen has all these features, which makes it stand out among all those AI content writing tools. And thankfully, GoZen's Content.AI is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $49, you can get lifetime access to Content.AI. And if you buy the AppSumo deal, you are going to save around 92% of your money. So don't miss this deal. If you want to buy Content.AI from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description. These are all the features that are available in the AppSumo deal of Content.AI. So you can create unlimited projects. You can get output in multiple languages. To be precise, it's over 12 plus languages. The workspace can be unlimited. Frameworks are unlimited. Blog wizards are unlimited. There are over 75 content templates, and all the other future templates are also going to be included in this AppSumo deal. There are some other features such as Chrome extension, landing page documents, and so on. So these are the three tiers that are available on AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $49 and you can generate 30,000 words and 100 AI images in this package. The tier 2 costs $99 and the word limit is 60,000 and the image limit is 200. The tier 3 costs $199 and these are the limits. There are also some other tiers and this is the highest tiers. So at $499 you will get 500k words per month and 500 AI image limit. You can also buy Content.AI on a subscription basis. There is a free plan and the starter plan costs $99 per month. The advanced plan costs $199 per month and the last package is premium, which is priced at $499 every month. So once you log into Content.AI, you will get a dashboard like this, and you can see the amount of word you have generated, the amount of images that you have generated from here. You can also create a new project that could be for image generation, that could be for blog writing or keyword research. And the next tab on the dashboard is workspace. So this is the only workspace that I have. I can create another one from this option. The next tab is a very interesting one. So this is the template tab, and keep in mind that Content.AI has over 75 different types of templates that are exclusively for writing different types of content. And I really like how they have divided all the templates into different categories. So if you want to write a blog, you will have to use these types of templates. If you're writing content for a website, these are the templates that you need. So in this way, there are so many different types of categories where you will get particular templates. So let me try a template. I'm going to try this company bio. So suppose I need a bio for my company. So let's select it. And then in this page, you have to select your target audience. You can give a personal description about your audience here. And then you can choose the gender. So I'm going to choose both. And then you can choose the age group. So it is from 10 to 90. And then click on next. In this page, you have to select the workspace where the company bio is going to land. So the default is already selected on my workspace, and then click on next. In the last page, you have have to choose the name of your project. So I'm going to choose the default name and then click on create. So now we are in the page where we have to fill some details about our company so that the AI can write a very accurate company bio. So first I have to fill out the name. It is going to be Drive Nation, and then I have to give a company description. What is the company about? So I have also written a description, and then you can choose the tone of the bio. So I want the bio to be casual, and then you can obviously select the output language. Once all the adjustments are done, you can click on generate content, and as you can see on the right side, our company bio has been generated by Content.AI, and to be honest, it is a really good one. However, I think it's a bit too casual, so I'm going to change the tone to professional, and then let's see what we get. So we have got another output from Content.AI about our company, and I think this bio looks amazing. It is way more professional than the last one, and there isn't simply any flaw that I could find. So the next tab on Content.AI is Blog Wizard. This is a feature that lets you write a complete blog, and there are some steps that you have to go through, and if you go through all those steps properly, you will get a complete blog that is fully ready to be published on your website. However, before I show you how this works, I want to get to another tab, which is keyword idea. So what do you need to write a blog? The first thing or the key to write a blog is always its keyword. So let's search for a keyword first, and then we will write the blog. For example, I want to write a blog about how to make money online. So I should discover some new keywords that should be profitable. Before that, I have to choose some categories such as countries for the keyword, the country that I'm targeting. I can also select even a region among United States. I can even select the city too, and then I have to choose a language. So I'm going to choose English and then search for the keywords. So these are all the keyword ideas that I have got. You can get a lot of related keywords. You can also see the average monthly search competition, which I really like, because after seeing competition you will get an idea whether the blog should be hard to rank on Google. So let's choose a keyword from here. So let's choose this one, how to make money on the internet, and then now go back to the previous tab, which is Blog Wizard. So I'm going to write the blog now. So here first you have to type in your blog title, which should be how to make money on the internet, and then I can add a description, or I can simply paste the title. I can also add some related keywords, and then I can choose the tone. So I'm going to select professional, and now in the first section we are going to get some title ideas for our blog. Okay, so I have to also fill out this keyword box. I'm going to paste the same keyword again and then click on generate titles. So as you can see, I have got around 10 title ideas for my blog. I am going to choose this first one and then click on next. It will create an intro for my blog. So let's see the intro. So this is the intro, and I think it's a good one. I can also edit it. I can also generate some more intros if I want. And now let's generate an outline by clicking on next. So we have got our outline. As you can see, the blog title is 5 proven strategies for making money online. So let's see if there are 5 strategies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the blog outline is very accurate. So now I can write the entire blog. For that, I can write each of these headlines separately by clicking on generate content. I can also generate briefs for all these headlines by clicking on generate brief for all outlines. I don't want to do that because that is going to take a lot of time, but trust me, the output is really good. And then time for a conclusion. So after writing the entire blog, we obviously need a conclusion. So as you can see, we have also got our conclusion. If you do not like this one, you can edit it or generate more conclusions. So this way you can create a complete blog after doing keyword research, and all of these things will be done from one dashboard of Content.AI, which is simply amazing for a blogger, content writer, or SEO experts. There are some other features on Content.AI such as landing page. So this AI content writer even lets you create a landing page which is similar to a web page, and for that all you have to do is give your company name or address here and then give a brief description what your company is about, and then you have to choose the page structure. So you can deselect select hero section and the hero section will disappear from your landing page. And the best part about this landing page feature is this page structures, all of them will get content. So this is the how it works section. So once you have this section, you will obviously have to write your content, right? But you do not have to do that manually. Based on your company name and description, Content.AI will generate a full-fledged content for your landing page, which is simply amazing. The next tab on Content.AI is summarizer. So if you want to read a very long article, suppose it is over 1000 words, but you only have a few seconds, you do not want to waste so much time on reading that article, you can simply paste that article in this box and then you have to click on the summarize button. You can also upload your file such as doc file, and the AI of this Content.AI will summarize the article or the content for you so that you do not have to waste all of your time reading the article. You will get the most important points, the key points from this summarizing feature. You can also choose the summary length. The next tab on Content.AI is document. So all the documents that you create, all of them will appear in here. The next tab on Content.AI is playground. This is another favorite feature of mine about Content.AI. There are some frameworks such as blog and even cold email. So just see how advanced this tool is. It even lets you write cold emails directly from the dashboard. And these are all the modifications that you can do. There are also obviously formatting options. Some other features are also there. You can create ideas, Facebook ads, and even product review blog post. The last tab on Content.AI has to be one of the best features of this tool. It lets you generate AI images, completely unique images based on a prompt that you give it. So let me write a prompt. So this is the prompt that I have written, and then I can also further modify my prompt by selecting the medium. What should be the medium of the image? It could be canvas, chalk, classic oil. So I'm going to select the first one, and then I can select the style of the artist, the style of art, and even I can add some keywords. So then I have to click on generate, and let's see what we get. And this is the output that I have got. Keep in mind my prompt was not that detailed, so the image is not the best. But if you provide a detailed prompt and if you select all these options properly, you will get a really good looking image, and then you can download the image, add to your collection, or even favorite this image. So these were all the most popular features of Content.AI from GoZen. Overall, I think GoZen Content.AI is an amazing tool. There is almost nothing that you could ask for as a content writer or a blogger, because there is literally everything that you need, from an image generator to keyword research to content writing, and there are some even great frameworks such as cold email writing, Facebook ads creating. So overall, I think GoZen Content.AI is an amazing tool that you should not miss. It is only available at $49 and the deal is on Appsumo for a short time, so make sure you buy this tool if you need this. And for buying, you can check the link in the description of this video. And these are all the features that you will get from the Appsumo deal of GoZen Content.AI, and these are the 3 tiers that are simply very affordable considering how great of a tool GoZen's Content.AI is. So that's it for our today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel because there are a lot of interesting videos upcoming. So stay tuned for all those videos. Till our next video, stay safe. Goodbye.